ಆರು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಆರು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೈಪ್ 1, ಟೈಪ್ 2, ಟೈಪ್ 3 ಅಂತ. ಇವು ಆರು ಟೈಪ್ 6 ಮುಗಿದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಒಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 1, integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Okay, so observe ಮಾಡಿ. proof from first one ಏನು ಕೊಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ. So 1 divided by x square minus 16 into dx. observe x square minus 16 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 16, a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ 4, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರೀತೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x square minus 4 square into dx. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 1 by x square minus a square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 by 2 into a ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4. ಸೊ log modulus x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 plus c. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ, 1 by 8 log modulus x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 plus c is the answer. ಇದು NCERT ಒಳಗಿರುವ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ 1 by x square minus 100 into dx. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ a square value 100, so a value 10. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x square minus 10 square into dx. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 by 2a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 into log modulus x minus 10 divided by x plus 10 plus c. So last answer 1 by 20 log modulus x minus 10 divided by x plus 10 plus c. That is the last answer. Next, third one. Next ನೋಡ್ರಿ, third one is integration 1 divided by 9x square divided by 16 into dx. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ x square minus a square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 9, ಆ 9 ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು. x square ಟರ್ಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಂಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ 1 divided by x square minus 16 by 9 into 9 ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ into dx. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ LCM ತೆಗೆರಿ 9x square minus 16 divided by 9. ಆ divided by 9 ಆ 9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಏನ್ 9 ಜೊತೆ ಏನು x square ಇರ್ತದ ಅದೇ LCM ಆಗಿರ್ತದ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ into ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 1 by 9 ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 1 by 9 integration 1 divided by x square minus 4 by 3 whole square into dx. 4 by 3 into dx. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಗ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 by 3 whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ a equal to 4 by 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಸೊ 1 by 9 ಕ್ಕೆ 1 by 9 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ into 1 by 2 a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 by 3 log modulus x minus 4 by 3 divided by x plus 4 by 3 plus c. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 3s are, so 1 divided by 4 into 2 yes sir, 8 into 3, so 24, so log LCM ತೆಗೆದಿರಿ 3x minus 4 divided by 3, 3x plus 4 divided by 3 plus c. Okay, so last answer. So therefore integration 1 by 9x square minus 16 into dx equal to 1 by 24 log. So 3 cancel. Here 3 cancel. ಏನಂತದ 3x minus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 plus 6. So last answer. Integration 1 divided by 4x square by 5 into dx. ಆಗ 9 into 9 ಬದಲು 4 ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ integration 1 divided by x square minus 5 by 4 into 4 ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ here 1 by 4 common ಹರತಿಗರಿ 1 by 4 constant term 1 divided by x square minus 5 by 4 into dx. So ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 4 integration 1 by x square minus a square ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so root 5 by 2 whole square into dx ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು a square ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ root 5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈ ತರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಲಕ್ಷರಿ here a square equal to root 5 by 2 whole square, a equal to root 5 by 2. Okay students, next steps are nodri. So 1 by 4 integration, okay, 1 by a square sorry once again repeat bardeni 1 by root 5 by 2 whole square into dx. So formula 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 a ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ root 5 by 2 into log modulus x minus a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ root 5 by 2. So root 5 by 2 divided by x plus root 5 by 2 plus c. See here 2 cancel. Here 1 by root 4 root 5 into log 2x minus root 5 divided by 2x plus root 5 plus c. So 2 get cancel my direct ಬರ್ದಬಿಡು 1 integration 1 divided by 3x square minus 25 into dx. Okay, so I have the same term 1 by x square minus 25 by 3 into 3 into dx. So 1 by 3 constant horror 1 by 3 integration 1 by x square minus a square agukandra 5 by root 3 whole square into dx. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 by root 3 whole square, a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 by root 3. Okay, so next steps here 1 by 3 1 by 3 into, so 1 by 2 a formula 1 by 2 a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so 5 by observe ಮಾಡಿ 5 by root 3 into log modulus x minus 5 root 3 divided by x plus 5 root 3 plus c. Okay, plus c here. So next step is ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So 1 divided by 3 means root 3. So root 3 into root 3 into 2 into 5 10 by root 3 10 by root 3 into log modulus LCM root 3x minus 5 divided by root 3. So root 3x plus 5 divided by root 3 plus c. Root 3 cancel. Root 3 cancel. Last answer 1 by 10 root 3 log modulus root 3 x minus 5 divided by root 3 x plus 5 plus 6. So last answer yadu. So integration 1 by 3x square minus 25 into dx. Students, second type 2. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square into dx 1 by 2a log of modulus a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ integration 1 divided by 36 minus x square into dx. Okay, so next conditions here 1 by a square means 6 square minus x square into dx. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, here a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 square, a value is 6. Okay, so next steps formula 1 by 2 a means 6 into log modulus 6 plus x divided by 6 minus x plus c. So last answer 1 by 12 log 6 plus x divided by 6 minus x plus c. So last answer. Yadu first one condition. Idar second one. Here second one integration 1 by 6 minus x square into dx. Integration 1 by 6 means root 6 whole square minus x square into dx. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ a square value ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಬೇಕು root 6 whole square ಆಗಬೇಕು, a value root 6. Okay, here so answer ನೋಡಿ 1 by 2 a means root 6 into log modulus root 6 plus x divided by root 6 minus x plus c. So last answer illadra ishta bರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by 2. Okay, next third one integration 1 by 121 minus 49 x square into dx. Here next steps 1 divided by observe ಮಾಡಿ 121 ಈ x square ಜೊತೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ 49 minus x square into ಯಾವ್ದು 49. See next steps observe ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು LCM ಮುಖಾಂತರ 49 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆ ತರ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ 1 by 49 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ 1 by 49. So 1 divided by ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 121 by 49 minus x square into dx. So one next steps 49 1 by 49 1 by a square. A square means 11 by 7 whole square minus x square into dx. Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 by 7 whole square, a equal to 11 by 7. Okay, so next steps here 1 by 49 into 1 by 2 a means 11 by 7 into log modulus 11 by 7 plus x divided by 11 by 7 minus x plus c. Okay, so next steps 7 ones are 7 sevens are 7 into 22. So 7 2s are 14 into 11. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, so 14 into 11 is 154. 1 divided by 154 log LCM 11 plus 7x divided by 11 minus 7x plus c. 11 cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So last answer fourth one integration 1 by 81 minus 2x square into dx. Next steps 1 divided by 81 by 2 minus x square into 2 into dx. Here 1 by 2 constant. So 1 by So 81 by 2 minus x square into dx. So next steps 1 by 2 integration 1 by 9 by root 2 whole square minus x square into dx. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ a square observe ಮಾಡಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ friends. So a square value 9 by root 2 whole square, a value 9 by root 2, 9 by root 2. So next steps only, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 a means 9 by root 2 into log 9 by root 2 plus x divided by 9 by root 2 minus x plus c. So last answer observe ಮಾಡಿ ಈ root 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ 1 by. So root 2 ಆಗ್ತದ ಒಂದು root 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಒಂದು root 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 18 root 2 log LCM ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 9 plus root 2x divided by 9 minus root 2x plus c. So last answer. So next one ಏನದಲ್ಲ fifth one ಅದು ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. It is the fifth one homework. Solve ಮಾಡಿ. Students type 3 ಏನದ ನೋಡಿ integration of 1 by a square plus x square equal to 1 by tan inverse of x by a plus c. ಅದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಭಾಳ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಬೇಕು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ 1 by 25 plus x square into dx. Here so next steps 1 by 5 square plus x square into dx. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5, a value 5. Okay, so 1 by a means 5. So tan inverse x into x a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ is 5 plus c. So last answer. Second one ನೋಡಿ integration 1 by 9 plus 16 x square into dx. x square ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ 16 plus x square per bracket ದಾಗ 16 into dx. So 1 by 16 constant ಹೊರಗಡೆ 1 by 16 integration of 1 by 9 by 16 plus x square into dx. So next steps ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. next steps from conditions 1 by 16 1 by 16 1 by a square form ದಾಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? So 3 by 4 whole square plus x square into dx. ಈಗ here observe ಮಾಡಿ a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 4 whole square a equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so observe ಮಾಡಿ so 1 by 16 1 by 16 1 by a means 3 by 4 into tan inverse x a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 4 plus c. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4 1s are 4 4s are. So 1 by 3 into 4 means 12. So tan inverse ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 4x by 3 plus c. ಈ 3 by 4 ನ ಮೇಲೆ 4x by 3. So last answer. Next third one. So integration 1 by 2 plus 25x square into dx. Here x square term ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 25 plus x square into 25 ಯಾರು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು 25. Here so 1 by 25 constant integration 1 by ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2 by 25 plus x square into dx. ಈಗ 1 by 25 into integration 1 divided by a square ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕ್ರಿ root 2 by 5 whole square plus x square into dx. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದು a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ root 2 by 5 whole square. A value ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 2 by 5. Okay, so formula ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, formula 1 by 25 into 1 by a. A means root 2 by 5 into tan inverse x. A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ root 2 by 5 plus c. So 5 ones are 5 5s are. So last answer 5 root 2 tan inverse 5x divided by root 2 plus c. So last answer. Students, type 4, integration of 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square into dx equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c form. Here, so first conditions, so proof integration 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square minus 9 minus x square into dx. So next way, students, integration 1 divided by square root of 3 square minus x square into dx. ಈಗ a square form ದ ಬಂದದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ a square equal to 3 square, a equal to 3, a equal to 3. Here, so observe ಮಾಡಿ formula sin inverse x, a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 plus 6. So last answer. Second one, integration 1 by square root 16 minus 9x square into dx. Integration 1 by square root, so 9 x square ಜೊತೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6 by 9 minus x square ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 9 into dx. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 1 by ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 9 ಅದ, ಆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 9 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 3 integration 1 divided by square root, so 16 by 9 minus x square into dx. So next option ಬರೆದದ್ದು, so 1 by 3 integration 1 by square root, so 4 by 3 whole square minus x square into dx. So 1 by 3 into sin inverse x means 4 by x by, observe ಮಾಡಿ, x divided by 4 by 3 plus c. So 1 by 3 sin inverse 3x by 4 plus 6. So last answer. So next third one, integration 1 divided by square root of 2 minus 49x square into dx. Here next steps, 1 divided by square root of 2 by 9 ಜೊತೆ x square ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಅನ್ನೋದ 49 minus x square divided by 49 into 49 into dx. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 49 ಹೊರ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 7. Okay, 1 by 7 integration 1 divided by square root of 2 by 49 minus x square into dx. So 1 by 7 integration 1 divided by square root of a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ root 2 by 7 whole square minus x square into dx. So formula ಪ್ರಕಾರ 1 by 7 ಯಾವುದು sin inverse x divided by root 2 by 7 plus c. So last answer 1 by 7 sin inverse 7x divided by root 2 plus c. So last answer. So next fourth one. So fourth one is integration 1 divided by square root of 9 minus 5x square into dx. Solve observe ಮಾಡಿ, so 1 divided by observe ಮಾಡಿ square root of 9 by 5 minus x square, so 5 into dx. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, so 1 by 25 plus 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬಂದ್ರೆ is 1 by root 5 integration integration 1 divided by square root. Okay, so 9 by 5 minus x square into dx. So next steps 1 by root of 5 integration 1 divided by square root. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 3 by root of 5 whole square minus x square into dx. ಇದು a value a square value ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 5 sin inverse x x a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 by root 5 plus c. So last answer 1 by root 5 sin inverse root of 5 x by 3 plus c. So last answer. Here fifth one again homework. It is a fifth one homework. Friends, type of fifth. So type of fifth integration of 1 by square root of x square minus a square into dx equal to log of modulus x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Here, so first conditions, so proof. So first one, integration of 1 divided by square root of x square minus 9 into dx. Next steps, integration of 1 divided by square root of x square minus 3 whole square into dx. Here a square equal to 3 square means a equal to 3. Next formula. So here the formula is log of modulus x plus square root of x square minus 3 square plus c. So one steps next steps ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ x plus square root of x square minus 3 square means 9 plus c. So last answer. So next second one ಏನು ನೋಡಿ integration of 1 divided by square root of 16x square minus 3 so into dx. Next steps integration of 1 divided by square root of x square term x square minus 3 by 16 into 16 into dx. Observe ಮಾಡಿ 1 by square root of 16 ಅದ square root of 16 ಬಂತು ಹಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ is 1 by 4 integration 1 divided by square root. Okay, so x square minus 3 by 16 into dx. So next steps, so 1 by 4 integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ನೋಡಿ, so root 3 by 4 whole square into dx. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಂತದ a square value is root 3 by 4 whole square, a value is root 3 by 4. Okay, so next steps here formula, so 1 by 4 into log modulus x plus square root of x square minus a square means root 3 by 4 whole square plus c. ಇಷ್ಟ ಬರ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಂತಂದ್ರೆ so one more steps 1 by 4 log modulus x plus square root of x square minus 3 by 16 plus c. ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 4 log x plus LCM ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 16x square plus 3 divided by 4 plus c. ಯಾವುದು ರೂಟ್ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ 4 ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಇಷ್ಟ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಷ್ಟದ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಇದು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಫ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ 1 divided by square root of ಏನೋ so 9x square minus 16 into dx. Students, next condition ಏನಂತದ 1 divided by here square root of x square minus 16 x square term ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 9 divided by 9 into another 9 into dx. Here, so 1 by 9 square root of 9 is 1 by 3. Constant variable 1 divided by square root of x square minus here 16 by 9 into dx. So one more steps 1 by 3. Next integration 1 divided by square root of x square minus 4 by 3 whole square into dx. Here a value hold on a square equal to 4 by 3 whole square means a value is 4 by 3. So next noting conditions formula. So 1 by 3 log modulus x plus square root of x square minus 4 by 3 whole square modulus complete ಮಾಡಿ plus c. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಏನದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ log 1 by 3 modulus x plus ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬಹುದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇದು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 9x square plus 16 plus c ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅವಾಗ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲೇ 16x minus 3 ಇದು ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ 4x ಇನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ integration 1 divided by square root of 12x square minus 1 into dx. Here integration 1 divided by square root of x square minus 1 by 12 into dx. Here 1 by root 12 integration 1 by square root of x square minus 1 by root 12 whole square into dx. So formula 1 by root 12 into log modulus x plus square root of x square minus 1 by root 12 whole square plus c. So last answer. So fifth one ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So type 6 integration of 1 divided by square root of x square minus plus a square into dx equal to log of modulus x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Here, so one more condition first problems. Here, first one, here integration of 1 divided by square root of x square plus 100 into dx. Here, so next steps 1 divided by square root of x square plus 10 square into dx. Here a square equal to 10 square, a equal to 10. Next formula, so log modulus x plus square root of x square plus 10 square plus c. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ 1 by x plus square root of x square plus 100 plus c. Okay, so second one, so integration of 1 divided by square root of 5 plus x square into dx. Okay, students, next steps 1 divided by square root of root of 5 square plus x square into dx. Here a square equal to root of 5 square. Here a value is 5. So root 5. So here a value is root 5. Next as log modulus x plus square root of x square plus a square. Here x square plus a square means root of 5 whole square plus c. So one more steps ಬೇಕಾ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಬಿಡಬಹುದು modulus x plus square root of x square plus 5 plus c. So last answer. Okay, so next one, third one. Here third one, integration of 1 divided by square root of 4 plus 3x square into dx. Here next steps 1 divided by square root of. So 4 by 3 plus x square into root 3 into dx. So 1 by root of 3 means is 1 by root 3 constant variable. Here 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus x square into dx. Here 1 by root 3 1 by root 3 integration of first x square idala x square ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So plus observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So root ಅದ so root so next ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4 by 3 means 2 by root 3 whole square into dx. Here a square equal to 2 by root 3 whole square. A equal to 2 by root 3. Here formula 1 by root 3 log modulus x plus square root of x square plus 2 by root 3 whole square plus 6. So next steps ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. So 1 by root 3 log modulus x plus square root of x square plus ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ so 4 by 3 plus 6. So next fourth one. So fourth one integration of 1 divided by square root of 169 plus 144 x square into dx. Okay, so ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ 169 minus plus 144. Okay students, here so 1 divided by square root of observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 169 by 144 plus x square. Okay into ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದ 144 into dx. Here 140 plus square root of 144 means is 1 by 12. So integration 1 by square root. Okay, so 13 by 12 whole square plus x square into dx. Here formula 1 by 12 log modulus x plus square root of x square plus 13 by 12 whole square plus 6. You learn the next steps 1 by 12 log modulus x plus square root of x square plus 169 by 144 plus 6. So last answer. So fifth one nodo ನೀವೇ solve ಮಾಡಿ. It's a homework. Okay, thank you.